Look at this. We got bunny microgreens from the yard. It's so good. Yeah. It's neat being a gardener and seeing all of the sprouted, look at that, all the sprouted little microgreens from the bird seed feeder. They're messy eaters. I mean, there's kale in here. Cute little leaves of broccoli sprouts. Probably radish. Look at all this. So cute. It's neat. I can identify things. Well, Shandy's garden's feeding somebody. We're not just having flowers this year, are we, Bunny? No. I'm about to fill the green stalks out there with, you know, more intentional things, but this is cool. Yes. Bunny has a whole bag. I just took some little scissors out there and harvested all kinds of stuff. Cute. Very cute. Alright. She'll probably sit and chow down this whole bag. I took a big old bite. Yep. Tastes amazing. That never gets old. Never, never. Wow. It's like having the old garden back, huh, Bunny? I grew her microgreens before. Now I know that I can just get a bag of birdseed and have tons. Jeez. There's little sunflower sprouts. Look at this. So cute. I went to plant more flowers, and there was a whole mat of this carpeted stuff right inside one of my big pots. And of course, a few blades of grass. Yeah. Sounds so cool. Okay. Shandy's garden is alive and well still. Look at this. It's nice and cold. I washed it off, put it in the fridge. What a little buffet. Well, thanks for stopping by. Shandy's garden. We're feeding the bunnies. One bunny at a time, huh? Yeah, one bunny at a time.